Welcome everyone. We are going to solve the question called functions in C in the HackerRank. So the task is that we have to write a function of 4 integers that will read out 4 arguments and return the greatest of them. So we have to note that there is no built-in max function in C. So code that will be refused is often in terms of int max that returns the greatest of 2 values, but this function returns the greatest of 2, but we have to print the greatest of 4, so this function will not work. So let's say the sample input will be 3, 4 and 6. Our greatest number is 6, so sample output will be 6. So let's start. Int main in this this is the declaration of all the integers. We have taken the input of the all integers. Now let's erase this and write our own code. That will be if a is greater than b and a is greater than c and a is greater than d. We won't print a to print so this is for the a to be the greatest integer. Now we will write if b is the greatest, so there if elif we will use now, else if b is greater than c and b is greater than d, we will print b. Else if c is greater than d, we want c to be get printed. Sorry, here backslash, print d. Else the greatest will become as comes to be d. And that's right, because here we have taken if a is greater than all, we have to print a, and in this we have not written if a is greater than b, because if a is greater than b, if b is greater than a, because it will be simply known from the here only, and like this we have described the others as well. So let's run the code. It is printing the correct output. Let's submit it. All test cases have been passed. Thank you.